guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a Wanderlust box from bikini.com. I have done a couple of these in the past. These are a seasonal box and each one is themed toward a destination, like a beachy destination. So this one is Puerto Viejo. This box is $85 a box, so not like a month or anything. So it's a bit on the pricey side, but you do get a lot of really cool stuff. So let's just go through this booklet and I will show you all of the things in here. So first thing in the book, they kind of tell you about the destination, where it is, and then you've got some things to do. This one right here actually sounds really cool. It's the Jungle Night Tour by Jaguar Rescue. And it was started by someone who like rescued a baby jaguar, and then she started this whole thing for like animals that need rescuing. So anyway, there's a cute sloth on there. And then some other things, some whitewater rafting, dolphin watching and snorkeling, immersion cultural tour, surfing, and then a playlist, which I was listening to earlier. It's got a lot of fun, cool songs on it, and you know, here's all the songs. So I love that it's very immersive, like you get to learn a lot about these different destinations. And then a recipe, this is tamal de masa, which I did not make because it does not look like something I personally would like. It's kind of, I don't know, it looks like a, I don't know, you guys. Anyway, I didn't make it, but I love that they have recipes in here. And then they have restaurant recommendations, one for like a romantic night, one for breakfast, one for local eating. So some really cool stuff in here. And then inside your box, okay, so the first thing in here is from Skin & Co. This is Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. This is $35. And it's just, you know, a mist. You can use it as a makeup setting spray throughout the day, you know, just to rehydrate or whatever. One of the issues with this though is that the spray on it is not a fine mist. It's like a full-on harsh spray. So it's a bit hard to use if you already have your makeup on. Like I personally wouldn't use this as a makeup setting spray. Doesn't mean you can't, it just means that spray is a little harsh for my taste. It does have like some menthol and rosemary in it, which is, you know, like the rosemary I think is supposed to be antibacterial. It has truffle in it. And then the menthol gives it that cooling sensation. So if you are at the beach, it's in the middle of summer, it's very hot, that menthol can be really nice. It also can be irritating. So if that sort of thing irritates your skin, you know, just something to be aware of. I actually really like it. And the way that I used it today was I put on my foundation, like I kind of, you know, dotted it on my face, and then I sprayed this and then blended it out. And I really liked the way that that worked out because it adds just a little bit of hydration. It helps your foundation go on really nice and smoothly. So I've actually been liking this. And then on days when I'm not wearing makeup or like right after a workout or something, it just feels really nice. And then the next thing is actually from bikini.com. This is a bamboo tank and it retails for $78. They do have a couple of different styles. This one that's like the muscle tee, and then they have some with more of a scoop neck and thinner straps. The bamboo material is incredibly soft. It's like stretchy and lightweight and breezy, and you can see it's got like the scoopy armpits, which just makes it really nice and breezy, and I love it. So it's pretty long, you know, so it's one of those things that you could like kind of tie off if you wanted to. You could wear it over a bathing suit. You can wear it, you know, with jeans. I worked out in it this morning. I did some yoga and it's wonderful. They say that it helps absorb sweat. I don't know, I didn't notice that much. I guess it wasn't that hard of a workout, it's just some yoga. But anyway, it's very comfortable to wear. I could like sleep in this, and I can see how it would be really nice to wear over a bathing suit. Just something to kind of cover up that's still lightweight and really soft. Super duper soft. I love it. I'm actually really happy about this. Okay, and then this is from Ellis James Design, and this is a wristlet glam bag. This one retails for $29.95. It's just, you know, a little tiny like purse thing. I don't always want to carry my purse. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll like bring my purse and then leave it somewhere, and I just grab, you know, my phone, my ID, a lip balm, and maybe some cash or something, and then I put it in this, and then this I put in my backpack or my beach bag or my gym bag, stuff like that. So I actually love this sort of thing, and it is just the right size for things like this, which is a passport holder I'll tell you about in a second. Sorry, it's catching on the pockets in there. I have an iPhone. Let's see, will this all fit in here? It's kind of thin, but yeah, you can fit some stuff in there. That's not bad. you know, and it actually has some pockets on the side that you can put your cards in, or maybe some, you know, cash or whatever, which, I don't know, I think this is actually really cute and totally handy. And it comes in black or white. Okay, this is from MDSolarSciences, and this is the Quick Dry Body Spray SPF 40, and this retails for $20. So I did use this, and the spray on this is a really nice, wonderful, fine mist that sprays very wide, and you can kind of turn the can any which way and it'll still spray really nicely. So that aspect of it, I really, really like. It is quick drying, you know, I absolutely agree with that. It doesn't have a super strong scent. One of the things about this that kind of set me off this morning while I was researching these products is that it says that it has no controversial chemicals, and it's a non-aerosol spray. But then I was looking at the actual ingredients, and while it doesn't have some of the controversial chemicals, it does have others that are kind of on my iffy list. No oxybenzone or octanoxate or homosalate. Guys, I can't say any of these things. So I have it, I'll use it, but you know, it's one of those iffy sunscreen things. Okay, the next thing is from, is it La Bloom or LA Bloom? I don't know. And this is the Lash and Brow Serum. There was like some boxes got this one and some got the nail oil. So this is really nice. It has like, you know, kind of your typical mascara wand type of a thing, and it just has like castor oil and argan oil and some other fantastic oils that are supposed to help your lashes grow and help moisturize them. So I have used this a couple of times and it goes on really nicely. I like the application. You are supposed to use it at night, although they say you can use it during the day if you want like dewy brows or something. I don't know, that seems weird to me. But anyway, I've been using it at night and it can get a bit goopy. It doesn't irritate my eyes, but you know, like I was trying to read after I applied this and I kept having to blink. It was so, you know, just, maybe I was a little heavy-handed, who knows. Anyway, but I'm excited to see if it helps my lashes and brows grow. Not that I need any more brows, but my lashes definitely. Okay, this is from TO112 Life. And this one is actually the hair serum. I guess you could have also gotten the hair cream. So it's a nice, very thin oil. My issue with it is the application, because it's one of those, you know, just pop tops and then you only need a couple of drops, and every time I use it, I get like way too much. But having said that, I put it in my hair today. My hair was dry. So I've used it on wet hair and dry hair. And today I used it on my dry hair, and I put way too much on my hands, you guys. Like it was like dripping off of my hands, and I still just went with it, and my hair does not feel greasy or anything. I actually like the way it feels. So it's very lightweight. It's not heavy or oily or anything, but it does feel like, you know, like a wet type of a serum that you would put on your hair to help hydrate it and whatnot. It has all sorts of good ingredients in it. Tamanu, argan, and jojoba oils. And like I said, you can use it on towel dried hair or your already dried hair, and it works fine both ways. This is from Amazing Grass, and this is Green Superfood Beauty. These are those little like tablets that you put into just like a glass of water, and it dissolves and gives you effervescent vitamin water, basically. I tried one of these and it actually wasn't bad. I was expecting it to be totally gross and it wasn't bad at all. And it's full of all sorts of vitamins and stuff. I think it actually has biotin in it too, which is supposed to be good for like your nails and hair. So anyway, these are fun and cool. It also has caffeine in it, which I thought was interesting. This is from Jane Incorporated, and these are organic sun tea eye patches. So it's like all these little, you know, tea things, but these are meant for your eyes. I don't know if you could actually make tea with this or not, but they're meant for your eyes. So you put them in warm water and then put them on your eye. And they are tea, so they could stain your clothing or your bedding or whatever. So I haven't used these yet, but I am excited to try them because I love this sort of a thing. And these retail for $10, and you can get like blue, pink, yellow. They have different packaging, but it's all the same tea flavor, just different colors. This is a pack of stainless steel straws from Not a Trace, and it has a little cleaner in there. I think there's, what, 4 straws in here? Yeah, 4 straws. You guys, I actually hate metal straws. I do. I know that's, I mean, you know, I'm all for not using straws, but I hate metal ones. I would rather just not use a straw. These are pretty thick though. Like, I mean, not like boba straws, but you know, milkshake straws for sure. And you know, and they have the little bend in them. So, I mean, you know, if you like metal straws, these are actually pretty nice. And then they do come with, oh, 2 cleaners. I thought it was just one. Ugh, pull this thing out. So there's a smaller one and then a big fatty. Are there different size straws? Oh yeah, there's 2 big straws and 2 smaller straws. This is actually a nice set. This is the kind of thing that I'm totally gonna save and like re-gift, but that's cute, right? Okay, and then this, which I showed you earlier, is from Spectrashell, and this is a passport case, and it's $14.99. It is water resistant. I wouldn't like throw this in the ocean or anything, but I guess, you know, if you're at the beach, it will help at least protect your passport a little bit, right? So, you know, and it doesn't fit much else, just your passport, but you know, it's cute. It's just like a little plastic case that has this kind of clip closure, which helps, you know, keep it tightly closed. Yeah, I can see it. There's like a gap right there. Yeah, I would not trust this near water, but it is a cute little shell, you know, for your passport. And then these are from France Luxe, and these are just hair ties. Erickson grab and go hair ties ponytail holders. Okay, so there's 8 of them. I have one on my wrist, and they have like a little bead on them, which at first I was like, I don't know how I feel about that bead. Like, if I feel like my hair's gonna get caught in that, or it'll be uncomfortable. I don't know, we'll see. So far it hasn't been an issue. And even though I do have short hair, I do put my hair up, like, you know, in a little rubber band if I work out or while I'm washing my face, that sort of thing. And also I have a 6-year-old daughter with super long hair who always wants it up in ponytails and buns and things. So I'll probably use these more for her. They're pretty good rubber bands. Like, I'm actually impressed with these. They're a nice tight elastic. They're stretchy. They don't stretch out. I used it on my wet hair and they didn't, you know how a lot of times with rubber bands, it's like you use it on wet hair and then they get all like stretched out and mangled looking. That didn't happen. So, you know, it's kind of cute to wear on your wrist. The true test will be on my daughter, but so far I'm actually really liking these. Okay, and then this is a strange thing. I did try this and I will show you the video footage of me putting these on because it's ridiculous. Okay, so these are mini masks. This is from Maskeraide. This is the Sweet Retreat Hydrating Dessert mini masks, and this is $5. And it's basically a sheet mask, except that you get this sheet with all these little dessert things. I mean, there's like cookies and cakes and ice creams and things, and you know, you peel them off and they're covered in that normal face mask, kind of a goo stuff, and then you just put them on your face. So I did that today. You know, and I was kind of weird. I was like, I don't know where to put, like I put them, you know, on all the places where I have wrinkles and but it was just sort of weird and they fit strangely, and I would be like, wait, I'll put this one, no, wait, let's try a different one over here. So it's like they're cute and they're fun. I don't know that they're super practical though. Also, because they're little, they tended to dry out faster, and it does say on the directions or whatever that you can like re-goop them up. But I feel like what a pain. So anyway, it's cute and it's fun, but it's like, I probably wouldn't repurchase this, but I enjoyed using it the one time. This is from Endure Beauty. This is an eye makeup removal cloth. This was actually created for people who have eyelash extensions, but you know, I don't have eyelash extensions, and you can definitely use it for removing your makeup. So this is similar to like those makeup eraser ones, but it's not, like those are a thicker, fuzzy type of a cloth, like a microfiber, super soft, but thick and fuzzy. This one is thin and stretchy. It's soft for sure, but it's not fuzzy by any means. So, you know, you just get it wet and you get your eye makeup off without like tugging or anything. And you can absolutely use it with eye makeup remover. I usually remove all my makeup with a balm of some sort. Lately, I've been using the one from Drunk Elephant, and you know, I just kind of smear it all in and then wipe it with a wet cloth to get it all off. It's nice, you know, I mean, it's soft. It seemed to work okay. It's stretchy. I have no complaints so far. It has a little loop so you can hang it up. And then it also came with a little mesh bag. The one thing that I do like about this, opposed to my other fuzzy ones, is that it dries really quickly. So if you are traveling, that, you know, can be kind of nice so that you're not having to put like a wet cloth in here. And you're supposed to, you know, just throw it in the laundry every 2 to 3 days, and it will last you up to like 9 months. So, you know, it's pretty cool. And then the last thing I haven't tried yet, this is some coffee from Java Trading, and they're just K-cups, so it's like, you know, $1 for each K-cup, right? And these ones are from Costa Rica, La Sonrisa, and it's a light roast. So I'm really excited to try these. Fun, right? Okay, so that is it. I'm telling you, a ton of stuff, definitely worth the money for all the stuff that you get. And I've actually really loved everything in here. I mean, the only thing that I probably won't use is this, which I'll just re-gift because, you know, it's a nice little set of metal straws. So anyway, I will leave all of the information in the description box. They did send this to me, so I'm sure that I have a referral link, and I believe that I have a 10% discount code as well. All right, so I will leave all of the information in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.